Boom! How's it going, everybody? Today's episode, we're going fishing again. But this time, we're getting out the fly rod. Yep, I said it. The fly rod. I'm not real good at the fly rod. I've only gone out a few times with it. But there's only one way to get better, and that's to get out there and do it. So come on with me, and let's go have some fun. Let's go catch some fish. Oh no! String broke. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Came untied. Well, after that fish just pulled my knot out, I'm switching to this guy. I don't know, I have another black and white one like that one, so. But this kind of looks like the dragonflies I see around all the time, so maybe they're hungry for dragonflies. Let's see what happens. First fish on a fly. Oh, it's a god dang chub. Well, that's disappointing. I was getting all excited. Come on. I had one bite on that little streamer. Then I went to a dry fly and didn't get no bites. Now I'm gonna switch to this little nymph. fish on. Another little shiner, chub, whatever you want to call them. Rainbow trout on the nymph. First rainbow, first trout, first real fish on the fly. Now we're on a roll. Let her go. Oh, he gone. Oh, damn it. Got my first brown on the fly. The camera died, and about 3 casts later, before I got to change the battery, landed one. It's not real big. It's 10 inches or so. There it is. Maybe 12. And he swallowed it. He wanted that thing. Alright. After, I don't know, it's like 11:30. I got here at like 6:30. Caught a couple chubs, caught a couple rainbows, and I finally got my first brown on the fly. This is only my 3rd time ever fishing with the fly. This is the only time I've ever caught fish. I struggled the last couple times and gave up fairly quick. This time, I only brought my fly rod, so I didn't have a choice. It was either catch fish with that or don't catch no fish at all. So I got her done. I caught some fish. Totally stoked. I finally got a brown. I think my casting's getting a little bit better. So all you can do is improve and practice and get better and better. And finally, or in one day, I'll be good at it. Because I'm far from now. But I got a fish, and that's a start. Let's continue fishing, see what happens. A little brown eye, got a little brown eye. Right in the corner of the mouth. Second brown on the fly. Well, that was a heck of a time. Whew, spent many hours out there. I got out there about 7. Now it was more like 6:30. And now it's about 3:30. I'm beat. It was a long trek through the woods, through the water. Now I'm gonna head home, Hope you guys liked the fly fishing. If you guys liked it, give it a like. If you want to give me some tips on how to get better at fly fishing, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.